Let's do it exercise quickly. First, fill-ups. The handle of the water pump act as a dash machine. It's a simple machine. The resistance overcome by the machine is called load. जो resistance है, load होता है वो. The machine may simply change the dash of the applied force direction. जैसे पुली का example लिया था हमने. The force applied on machine to do some mechanical work is called effort. जो हम force लगाते हैं, that is your effort. In a machine, the output is always less than input. जो output है वो कम होती है, input ज़्यादा होती है. Fine. Then comes true fall. Machines are used for doing dangerous work only, not false. The ratio between useful load lifted to the effort applied is called mechanical advantage. It's true. Load upon E, effort. The energy supplied to a machine in doing some mechanical work is called input energy. Yes, it is also true. Then next one, the output energy is a good machine is always greater than the input energy. No, it's false. The ratio between input energy to output, input over output, no, it's always output over input. So it is also false. The next thing in this is resistance overcome by a machine is called friction. No, it's called load. Machine which lifts more load than effort applied has efficiency more than 1. No, it's less than 1. The ideal machine is possible in real life. It is not possible. Ideal तो होती नहीं ना. The force applied on a machine to do some mechanical work is called pressure. No, it's called effort. The ratio between input energy and output energy. No, it's output over input, not input over output. Fine. Now take the correct option. Which of the following do not belong to same class? Lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle. It's inclined plane. Inclined plane is different as compared to all of them. Then which of the following is not belonging to the same class? Inclined plane, wedge, pulley or screw. It is pulley. Then in an ideal machine, the output energy is equal to input. Input energy is equal to output energy in case of ideal machine. The output energy in real life machine is less than the input energy because of moving parts of machine, friction. Moving parts of friction दोनों, A and B both. Fine. Then we have the match it. A machine whose parts are frictionless as well as weightless. What is that? Ideal machine. In a device, output energy is always less than input energy. This is called principle of machine. The ratio between output over input. Yes, we have just said efficiency. Machine such as handle of the water or a ramp is simple machine. A device which may speed up the or move heavy load or change the direction is called as machine. Fine.